How to share video as a link using Google Drive. First of all, simply go to your Google Drive, tap on Drive. Now in your Google Drive, try uploading a video, and after that, as you finish uploading, simply tap on the video that you want to share. Then tap on the three vertical dots. Instead of tapping on sharing, tap on copy link first. And your link has been copied to your clipboard. Now you can copy this link and simply paste on different social media such as mail, Instagram, WhatsApp, or even Messenger to share it to your friends. And to make sure that anyone can access, tap on Manage Access. And under General Access, there is a restricted mode, tap on Change. And again tap on Restricted, and from here select on Anyone with the link so that any of your friends, when you send the link, can easily open it without you having to manually approve each login. And to control what they can see, tap on Viewer mode, and you can control if they can only view, comment, or if they can also make the changes. And this way you can easily share your files using the link from Google Drive. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.